guys, welcome back to
Hello everybody. This looks different.
Yes, it is.
We are the Ndellas.
Yes, we are.
And we had a very
a different segment for you guys. We actually starting a different segment for you guys.
Yes.
So what will be happening is that people will be inviting us to either their houses or where they want us to cook for them.
Yes.
And they will choose what they want us to cook for them.
Definitely.
So today we are at one of our OG's place.
Buru Buru.
Today we are at Buru Buru.
Yes.
Big ups to Brenda and Anto.
Actually.
For inviting us.
Yes. Actually.
For us to cook for them. And they have chosen actually what they want us to do for them.
Yeah.
And so this cold morning, we are here to deliver.
Really cold in Nairobi.
We are here to deliver. What they chose was lasagna, scotched eggs, and mango and banana shake. Yeah, so that's what we are preparing to do. And hope you guys enjoy this new segment.
Let us know.
Yeah.
In case you want us to come to your place.
Yes, and to make for you whatever you want.
Yes. Just comment.
Your menu.
Comment down there.
Yes.
And we will contact you.
Yes, we will.
You can reach us also on our social media pages.
Yeah, on our social media platforms.
Attached here.
Yeah, on our social media platforms. DM us, email us. Just contact us if you want
us to come to your place.
Yes.
Within Nairobi.
Yes,
within Nairobi. Yes, because we can't go out of Nairobi at the moment.
Yes, within Nairobi.
Yes, and stay safe.
Yeah.
Be safe.
And hope you guys enjoy. Please, people, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Yes.
This helps our channel so much. So yeah, please subscribe. For those who do not subscribe, please subscribe. Please. Please. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Quite a very rainy morning. Yes. And here we are. Yes. Now umbrella.
Oh, Buru Buru Phase 4. Here we are. Okay.
Bell. Howdy.
African timer.
Hello.
Hi.
Traffic.
Yo, please.
Rain.
No.
Everything in between.
You have to come like that. You're Africans. Karibuni.
Thank you. Okay, we are here. So guys, we are in the kitchen.
Yes.
And actually what we are doing, we just come with our aprons.
Yeah.
And once we get to your kitchen, the only thing we bring is our aprons and the camera.
Yes. And
we don't bring our knives or nothing. So what
everything else we'll be using is
yours. So here, Brenda and Anto just told us the kitchen is there. And you should start.
Yeah. Now we are ready to work.
We are ready to work.
Yes.
We've cleaned our hands. Have you?
Yes, I have.
And we've sanitized nicely. We are ready.
Ready to cook.
How do I look?
Nice.
Same as you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Alright. Let's start this.
Let's start this.
Join us.
Okay.
So guys, what actually I started with was sharpening the knives, because I tried using them and they were really not that sharp. So I decided to make sure that whatever knife you're going to use, they're going to be sharp and nicely sharpened. As how you see, I did it there. But it was fun actually also, because it took me way back when I used to sharpen using this sharpening stone. As you can see, I was doing the setup on their side, but my wife had already started with preparing actually the minced meat, whereby she started by chopping the onions and making sure that everything was prepared and ready. On the other side, I was also trying to make sure that I will start boiling the eggs, because as you heard before, we were making different meals and we had to improvise with the space and time also as well. Here my wife was really doing really nicely, and she had already finished with the onions, and as you can see, she had started now with the garlic. She crushed them before. So step by step she was crushing all the garlic cloves, and she seemed like clearly she was really enjoying it as well. Our eggs, they just took around 13 to 15 minutes after the boiling, and then I had to remove them from the fire. Here is where actually you have to make sure that you put the eggs in cold water, simply because it will be easier to remove the shell. On the other side, after I finished that, I had to prepare the paste which we'll use for the minced meat as well. And as you can see, we went all natural. It was just tomatoes and we blended just as I did there, from how you can see. On the other end, my wife was also preparing the oil. She had to put oil on the pan so that she can start with the chopped onions she had already chopped. As you can see, she had to put the onions, the hot oil. She added also the garlic as well, and I think this is the point where she will be adding the minced meat. As you can see, from this part, actually I was really enjoying also my end, because we are in a new kitchen. It's just the two of us, and we were trying to improvise with everything that we had, just to make sure that we give the perfect food to our capabilities. Yeah, and as you can see, the day was going really well. The tomato is now ready. On the meat, actually she had to add salt, and then oregano, and a teaspoon of basil. Yeah, a teaspoon of basil. Just a pinch of pepper, and then you just add the tomato, the sauce that we had already blended earlier. Mix up everything. Mind you, this is at a very low heat. Yeah, you just
Anto is here.
Hi, Anto. I'm good. Welcome.
It's your African timers. African timers are here. Not you now.
As you can see, Anto just came. He was not around when we were there. So this is how I was moving the shells from the boiled eggs. He came and he found us still working, and he was so impressed. So for the eggs, the scotched eggs, we used sausages. We just remove the cover and then we just mash. Here I added mixed spice, onions, and 2 cloves of garlic. The onion, actually it was half red onion. Salt, and you mix. Just mix and make sure everything mixes up. This is the mixture that you're going to use to cover the eggs, as I did there. You can see, yes, I covered, and then from here you put it inside all-purpose flour. Make sure it's fully covered. Insert an egg, pass it through the egg, and then finish with breadcrumbs. Very easy steps. Put it together, put inside a chiller for 15 minutes. After that, it's ready. Put your oil in a pot, make sure it is on a minimum heat. Put your eggs one by one, make sure you don't damage the top of it. As you can see, the eggs were ready. Really nicely beautiful. Make sure they are golden brown. This was behind the scene view. I had to put mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of mustard, and kachumbari, 1 tablespoon as well. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 mix it and make sure it is completely mixed. Everything must mix together. After you're done, this is the point where I had to take one of our scotched egg and cut it into half so that I can see how it looked. And wow, it looked really nice, and I was so proud of myself. I was so happy to see the results. You could have imagined the look on my face. Even my wife looked at me and she was so like, oh, that's happy. Well, from how this looks, it clearly shows you how happy Anthony and Billy were, and they enjoyed really these eggs. So I bet you're really looking forward to see what will happen in the next video, because this is the end of part 1. Thank you.
So guys, we are still cooking. We are halfway, and it's been like 2 hours 15 minutes, but we've really tried. And Han, you want to say something? I know she's busy.
No.
So guys, we're enjoying this, and it's been a really nice experience. Let's see who's next. Okay, don't forget, comment down there. We will try and choose where to go next. Make sure it's just within Nairobi, and we hope you enjoy until the end. Okay, bye.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
Very nice.
Every day, babe.
Let me remove.